In this Adspyder review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software Adspyder. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Adspyder. Adspyder is an AI-powered ad intelligence platform that provides insights to online ads worldwide. This is what you should see once you've either first signed up or even logged in. So overall, there's not too much going on. There's a little bit going on in the middle. So for any beginners, it's not too overwhelming. I'm going to quickly go through each feature, and then throughout the review, I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So up in the top left hand corner is the Adspyder logo, which is actually clickable like most softwares. So that is a good feature for the Adspyder software. To the right of that, we have the main search bar where you actually search for either a URL or a domain name. And then to the right of that, we have the word bar where we search for either keywords or other things like that. This is where you type in the main search area, and then this search button to the right of that is where you'd click search. Just below that, we have these two little options here, exact or partial. This is just to show any results matching the exact domain or keyword shown, whether you want it exact or even just partial if you don't want it too exact. To the right of that, how many searches I have left is right here. I have 3 since I am on the free trial. And then all the way to the right is your account. And if you hover over that, you have your plans, the my account section, my favorites, and log out if you want to do that. So that's pretty much it for the main page of once you first log in. And now I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So on the left hand side, you can either search them straight up on a custom query, or below that you can have a summary of the most popular ads, or below that you can actually search keywords or domains for Google search ads, Google search ecom ads, Bing econ ads, YouTube ads, Facebook, display ads, Reddit, Flipkart ads, Amazon, and LinkedIn. All the way at the bottom you have a little help section if you want a welcome tour, any tooltips, or even contact them and give them any feedback. So that's pretty much it again for this main page. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually click on a summary of the most popular ads. Once you click on that, it shows you the most popular YouTube ads, and then as you scroll down it shows you more type of ads. As you can see, it pops up with the video and then some information right below it, who it's by, when it was first seen, when it was last seen, when it was published, and the channel. You can go ahead and click on add details if you want any more details. So this is pretty much where you'd see the most popular ads. You can add them to your favorite list by having this little love heart icon checked here, and then just scroll through these and see any famous ads. As you scroll down, you can see the most popular ecom ads. You can see what it is with the image. You can see the name of it, the price, who it's by, and then these little features down here, whether it's the popularity, last seen, position, or even the country. You can go through these, see the most popular, and pretty much just run through that with whatever features you want. Go into more detail with it by clicking the add details and kind of run through this. You can see the most popular display ads, most popular Google ads, and then you're pretty much just going down the left hand side through this with each of the ads areas. So now back to this section, you can actually see on the right hand side they have a Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram community if you want to go ahead and join that. But now I'm going to go ahead and actually put in a keyword so we can see if the software actually works on its own. So you want to go ahead and just click the search bar and then type in any keyword you wish. I'm going to go ahead and put in fitness and then click search. So once you've gone ahead and actually searched your keyword and clicked whether you want it as exact or partial, you have to go ahead and click on the left hand side on what you actually want to search on. So to start off, we went ahead and searched on the Google ads, and then it came up with loads of Google search ads. Right here we can see the name, and we can see it actually correlates to the one we actually put in. You can see the URL, the name, the description, and then down here it has a few features that it has came up on its own terms. You can choose here to read more, and then go through these, whether it's the popularity, last seen, country, or even position. Right here, if you want to see more of the ad details, all you have to do is go and click on add details and then see more. Up here in the top right hand corner you can see it's showing 1 out of 20 of 10,000. If I want to go ahead and actually favorite any of these, I just have to click the love heart up in the top right hand corner and it actually adds it to my favorite list. You can actually sort out the results between country right here by selecting a country, by popularity, by the date, or even by position. If you want to remove any, you just click remove filters there. So as you're scrolling down, you can go through these whenever you want, and now you can see we actually have 2 searches left, so I'm going to use them wisely. So you can go through each next page and just focus on looking through more of the ads. Overall, it has come up with the ads that will correlate to the one we searched, and it's a pretty good software function. Once you click on the YouTube ads as well, it should carry over your fitness search right here, and then you can see we now have loads of YouTube videos on the fitness. You can see you have the video here, you can actually love heart it, or you can actually see the actual title and then any more details. You can also see when it was actually published in the bottom right, and that's pretty much it for the YouTube search area for your search. Comes up with the filters, and you can actually choose to add or take any filters away from up here. Again, scroll through these in your own time and whatever you've searched, and see which best one applies to you and what type of ads you want to go through and research on its own. So you can go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click next, since it does come up with thousands of search results. So now we're going to go ahead and click on one more for our last search, and let's just go with Amazon. So once you've clicked on Amazon, now with the search result fitness, it should come up with loads of products or anything on Amazon resulting around fitness. You can see that it has came up in dollars, so you'd actually go ahead and select a country, but we have no search results left, so we're not going to go ahead and do that. You do that on your own though, and you can see any products on Amazon that correlate with fitness. You can see the name, the price, what website it's on, and then the popularity, last seen, position and country, and then any ad details that you want to see. You can scroll through these, see which ones are what, and you can actually see what advertisements you want to look at, the ones that actually correlate with the word you put in. You can search through these on your own, but now I have no searches left, so you guys would have to do this on your own terms. And there you go, that is it for the Adspyder software review. Overall, I think it's a great software for searching ads. However, I do think it should give you more searches for the free trial. However, a few features I liked is again how easy and simplistic it is to actually use, and it is pretty good for a beginner to use as an ad research software. I also like how it has loads of research areas on different types of websites like Google and Amazon, and I also like how easy it is to actually find something that correlates with the keyword you put in. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I would. Again, it's not one of the best softwares, however it is a really good software to actually research ads. Overall, I think it's a decent software. Thank you for watching, I'll see you next time.